Hey people, today we're going to be doing something pretty different that I haven't done on my channel yet. Actually, I haven't done it yet in my life before. But right here, I have some baking soda and some A&W root beer. And we are going to be mixing them. Once again, I've never done this before, but hey, we'll see how it turns out. So, let's get right into it. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lid off of the root beer thingy. If I can grab it. There we go. See? Just root beer. That's all it is. Next, we have the baking soda. We're going to take a little bit of the baking soda. Not much, but just enough. Get a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, that should be good. Now, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was kind of underwhelming. Give me a quick second. Well, that was kind of underwhelming, so I guess we're not going to use a spoon for this. Just going to pour it from the box. 3, 2, 1. Well, I guess that's it. I really thought this video was going to be a lot more exciting than it was, but hey, I guess if you have root beer and you have baking soda and you mix them together, it's going to be really underwhelming. Bye.